So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark our lines. This one is going to be 90 inches wide. Once we mark our lines, we're going to mark a 1/2 inch past those lines to the outside of them on the crown molding and the baseboard. I'll explain why we do that later. So we're going to cut and remove the baseboard and crown molding. Once we remove the crown and the baseboard, we're going to tie in some 1x4s on the floor all the way up to the ceiling, and then the two in the middle are dictated by based on the TV. So the height of the opening for the TV, that's where this one will go, and then the base of the framework is where this one is going to go. That way we don't have any unnecessary wood in the back part of where the TV will be. So once that is done, we're going to put our crimplers up. The depth of this media wall is going to be 8 inches as usual. You have to take into consideration these 1x4s when you're talking depth. The 1x4s are 3/4 inch thick. From there, we're going to fill in the middle portion of the media wall. So we get the base of the fireplace done first, and then here you see me putting together the top portion, which will be above the TV. So we're going to tie all of that in together. I use a framing nailer here, 3-inch nails, 3-inch 21-degree nails. And here we're going to frame the upper portion of the fireplace. Once we get this portion in, you'll kind of see the shape of this media wall take form. The pieces I'm putting up now is based on the width of the fireplace. So when the fireplace goes in, you can just nail it to where screw it to where it needs to be. And then here we start drywall.